Welcome to Ethereum Cat Headers Meeting 114. This is issue number 364 on Ethereum Cat Headers GitHub PM repo. So the first item on the agenda we have here is announcements. I have two announcements from the projects who have supported us in the past month. So the first one is ENS grant. Early in July, we received a grant of 50,000 USD from ENS. We were one of the 4 big grant winners. So thank you, ENS, for the support. And later this month, we had a project team called Octant giving a demo on Ethereum Cat Herders Meeting, and they also had considered Ethereum Cat Herders for public good funding. The results of that public good funding were dependent upon the FOIAP and the support that were received by the community. The total amount that they have distributed in PGF was $1 million. And I'm happy to share that we received over 20,000 USD with the support of, I think, 14 FOIAPs out of the total. Thank you. That's a good thing. And I hope that in the next round, we will be able to share this information with community a little bit more so we get more support. We were one of the 10 projects who were considered for this PGF round. People can check out the link added to the agenda for details of it. But yeah, thank you, Ethereum community, for considering Ethereum Cat Herders as one of the public good project supporting Ethereum ecosystem. Moving on with our usual updates, the first one is about Ethereum network upgrade. As we all know, we are expecting Dencun, Denup, and Cancun upgrade. I suppose it will be around Q4 in 2023. And currently we are with DevNet 7 and we are expecting DevNet 8 very soon. This morning, Andrew from Aragon team suggested to have one proposal 6780 to be removed from DevNet 8. However, DevNet 8 is supposed to be feature complete DevNet. Like right now, till DevNet 7, we were only focusing on EIP 4844, which is supposed to be one of the biggest proposals for this upgrade. It is going to make some changes on both execution layer and consensus layer. So we just wanted to give it enough time to get it tested. And DevNet 8 is supposed to be the feature complete. So proposal 6780, which is for self-destruct, as many people may know, from the Shapela upgrade that there was this announcement of removing self-destruct from Ethereum contracts. This proposal is currently being proposed to be out of DevNet 8 for the time being, and the reasons that they have mentioned here is like DevNet 7 already will bring, DevNet 8 will all bring a lot of changes with a lot of proposals getting in all together, and perhaps Aragon is not ready. They are open to get piggybacked with the Geth implementation, but yeah, we will get to know more about the proposals being considered for DevNet 8 on the Thursday call ACDE. So that's about the Dencun upgrade. People can follow the list of EIPs on both execution and consensus side as listed on the agenda. And I'm also happy and excited to share that we have tried to have conversation with respective authors and prepare educational material, like share the information that is needed to learn more about these upgrades on Penny. So please check out the playlist for Denup and Cancun on Ethereum Cat Herders. We also have a list of other resources to follow more about the upgrade. Check out the links on the agenda. Okay, I am trying to find out, but it looks like the link for UF meeting is not updated. I will check back with Matt if we have the recording available. Workal Implementers meeting happens once a month, and we do have a playlist for Workal on the Ethereum Cat Herders YouTube. People can also follow EOF Mega Specs, and I'm also hoping to have someone from EOF team to have a chat about what major changes we are expecting with EOF proposals. EOF, however, is not expected with this upgrade, and it is expected with Prague. Perhaps we will be ready by then, and if so, then we can have it on Prague update. But there's a lot to be worked upon on these proposals. We would need test cases and testing. So please follow the UF implementers meeting to know more about EVM changes. That's about the update related to upgrades. Moving on to events, fellowship, and hackathon, we are expecting a big event, Istanbul, Dev Connect, preparations are on, and there would also be a hackathon related, and I'm assuming, yes, the last date was July itself. So now today is August, so the application has been closed. People, if you have any information about other fellowship and hackathon that you would like our community to know about or participate, please feel free to share information on Ethereum Cat Herders Discord. We do have a hackathon or fellowship related Discord channel. It will be great to get more participation. On general stats, we have been increasing our followers. It's good. It's nice. It's great to know that people are getting information via Ethereum Cat Herders, and we are able to serve the community as we intend to do all the time. But I would also request you to share the invite link with people you may know that they aren't aware of Ethereum Cat Herders. As from the Octant poll, it looked like we still need a lot of awareness because we are mostly supporting protocol. Very few people are aware of the changes that are getting in. Mostly they are looking into application layers, but we would love to invite more participation from community who would like to contribute on protocol layer. For that, we are also engaged with EPF, Ethereum Protocol Fellowship, and I also joined one of the stand-ups meeting. It is great, and I'm happy to share that. This EPF also provides a scholarship if you are selected for that, but if not, you are still allowed to participate and follow the progress. You can join the Discord channel, you can join the Monday stand-up meetings and share your questions. We have a lot of mentors around, like all client teams have their bucket list of proposed projects that you can perhaps build and help Ethereum protocol developer. Or if you are trying to build something of your own and you need some support and guidance from these devs, they are available on the call as well as on the Discord channel. So if you are listening, if you are interested and you want to become a protocol developer, especially Ethereum protocol developer at one point of time, I would recommend following EPF meetings and the communication. There is also Google mass mailing link. You can also join that mailing list so you can get a latest update on that. On ECH website, I could not make it to the meeting yesterday, but as per my last conversation with George, we have updated the website, especially the DENCON page with respect to DevNet 7. So you people should be able to find all information till DevNet 7, and we are trying to add as much as possible educational resources around the DENCON upgrade. So please check out ethereumcathedral.com/Dencon for the upgrade related information or resources. On ECH operations, we have been working on YouTube Shorts. We have shared multiple shorts with respect to the meetings that we do, with respect to talks with Ethereum community developers that we have. And we are also having to have shorts for the projects which are demoing on Ethereum Cathedral meeting. In the past month, we had 3 demos organized for different projects, and this is just an announcement. Any other project or application, if you would like to share more information about your project with our community, please ping me to join on the next Ethereum Cathedral meeting, or you can just leave a comment on the agenda. So we can get in touch and try to have your project scheduled for the next demo here. And on PEEP and EEP, we are expecting more on Dencon, like proposal 6780, which is self-destruct only in the same transaction. We will have a conversation with Guillaume Bellet tomorrow at 18:30 UTC. And after that, we will be having a testing update by Paritosh Jayanti, Mario Vega, and Barnabas Busa on August 16th. We do have one last proposal for the Dencon upgrade, which is EIP 4788 Beacon Block Root in the EVM. A talk with Alex Stokes, who is the proposer of this EIP, on September 5th. We are also expecting the launch of Holesky testnet, which is going to replace the present Gorley testnet on September 15th, which is the day of the merge. And following September 15th, like on September 19th, we will have Paritosh Jayanti and team to talk about the Holesky testnet and how Ethereum community can participate in this new public testnet. So there's a lot to cover on this upgrade, and we have a lot of information for you. I hope you join one or the other PEEP meetings to have your questions shared with the authors. But if you cannot, we will have all the recordings available for you on the Ethereum Cat Herders YouTube. Please check out the PEEP and EEP playlist. So that's all about PEEP and EEP. Yeah, I think we are still working on splitting. Is that the correct, Santosh?
Yeah, it is correct.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. So I hope from like by the end of this week, we should be able to at least get the recording out for Octant, followed by other projects that we had in the past month.
Yes. Yeah, that's for sure. Like 3 projects, whatever we did for the last month, that can be done by this. Along with it, newsletter is something we'll publish it this week. This has 2 agenda on me.
Awesome. Cool, very well. So yeah, we look forward for more regular newsletter. I know it was stopped for some time, but we hope to revive it soon. Cool. On ECH podcast, if I remember correctly, we are almost up to date. We just had 2 more to go, which we are expecting today and following Thursday. So that should be it. And we would be like at par with the regular videos that we are sharing. By the way, while I have William Schaub on the call, I just want to let you know, William, I have been receiving requests from project to revive your podcasting back. So whenever you get a chance, please let's restart that. Okay. Yeah, the next thing on the agenda is EIPS Insight. I think I had that thing open, but looks like it is closed. Let me quickly open it. So we have EIPS Insight for the month of July ready. I will be publishing it soon on Twitter. According to this, we have 5 proposals on final in the month of July. And all these 5 proposals belong to ERC category. There are 3 proposals on a last call, and these proposals are EIP 7329, which concluded its last call deadline just yesterday. Proposal 7329 is a meta proposal, which is basically ERC EIP repository split announcement. And because it's a meta proposal, it suggests that it is something that is going to happen for sure. The last call deadline ended just yesterday, so we are expecting this proposal to be moved to the final status very soon. Other 2 proposals were EIP 6066, and I think the proposal is now final. Just let me quickly validate. Yes, the proposal is in the list of final, so that's great. And there is one other proposal, ERC 5008. The deadline is ending on August 15. This is ERC 721 non-extension. So people, if you have any thoughts, comments, suggestion on proposal 5008, please feel free to share it before August 15th, because we would like not to make any changes once the proposal moved to the final status. In addition to this, we have received 12 draft proposals this month. Obviously, proposal 7329, which was a meta proposal I mentioned, is going to be moved to the final very soon. Apart from that, we have 4 core, 6 ERC, and 1 interface proposal, EIP 7039, Scheme Handler Discovery Option for Wallets by Sam Wilson. Please check out these new proposals and share your thoughts. If you have comments or thoughts, you can share it on Fellowship of Ethereum Magician, so authors may know, and we can have respective changes added in the specs before proposal moves to the last call or final. So that's about EIPS Insight. Today is 1st of August, and so far there is no much. So we'll provide further updates in the following meeting. Okay, that's about EIPS Insight, and the next one is meeting notes. I do not see the link added here on the agenda, but I'm hoping most of the notes are available. If not, I think Santosh, if you don't mind sending another reminder to the users, that would be great. Yeah, thank you. And yeah, we hope to have all the notes ready sooner rather than later. Okay, so the next item is new initiative and association. One information that I would like to share, I am hoping to work with some of the foundation team members to encourage more female devs to join the Ethereum community. And for that, I think my first meeting is planned this Friday. So I hope to share more information. And in the meantime, any female dev, if you are listening to this meeting and if you are interested trying to make your room to the Ethereum ecosystem, do not hesitate to reach me. I am available on Ethereum Cat Herders Discord, or you can also find me on Twitter at PoojaRanjan19. There are a team, and we are hoping to come up with more announcements so you can also participate in regular stand-up meetings and get more information about how to get engaged. So that's something new we are working on. And apart from that, I think we have covered most of the agenda item. Anyone on the call has anything to maybe add, share, or any question that I can answer today?
Maybe on the Denkun upgrade. So we have a good amount of information with our YouTube videos as well as on our ECH website, right? We'll translate into a tweets and maybe we'll share it from our official Twitter account or from your account.
That sounds like a very good idea. Yeah, we can do that. So
Okay.
like in Denkun, I'm assuming how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 7 EIPs are going in, and there would be one engine API change, I'm assuming. But engine API is not coming up as an EIP. But yeah, we have like 7+1 proposals or information that we would want to share. So if you could like convert them into shorter tweets, we can get it done like every 2-3 days or have once a week because we have some time.
Sure. I'll do that.
Okay, good. That is interesting. Anything else? Very well. Just another round of announcement here. Any project, if you would like to demo on Ethereum cat herders, please reach out to us on Cat Herders Discord, or you can leave a comment to the next meeting, and we'll be happy to have you on the call and let community know about your project. Anyone interested in participating and sharing more information about Fellowship and Hackathon, we do have a dedicated channel about Fellowship and Hackathon. If you are going to DEF Connect Istanbul and you would like to represent Ethereum cat herders, or you would want to have more information about us, reach out on Discord. And any new suggestion, the way how Ethereum cat herders can be more helpful to the community, do let us know. On that note, thank you everyone for joining us today. I hope to see you in 2 weeks. Enjoy your day. Have a good one, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks for running, Tuja.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Cheers.